Jinan Huayuan Bearing Company Limited, founded in 2022, is an entity enterprise committed to the sales and service of automobile bearings. The company's main business: front and rear wheel valley bearing, wheel valley unit, outer ball cage, half shaft assembly, accessory tension wheel, idler wheel, air conditioning wheel, accessory belt, hydraulic separation bearing, tire screws, universal joint, hanger bearing, bridge bearing, unidirectional wheel, and other products. After years of marketing operations, the company has accumulated rich experience and resources, with strong strength and brand advantages for many large, medium, and small enterprises, and end customers at home and abroad, to provide high-quality professional services. We will build the best and most stable supply channels for customers, adhering to the spirit of customer service, relying on the good reputation of the industry, to provide our customers with more quality products and services, willing to strengthen exchanges with domestic and foreign businesses, sincere cooperation, create a better future. We always adhere to the customer-centric business philosophy and continue to establish long-term, stable cooperative relations with customers. For buyers looking for low MOQ and high product variety, multi-specialist suppliers with extensive industry and service experience and deep understanding of emerging product trends offer low MOQ customization, end-to-end logistics solutions, and multi-category sourcing.